like this fan. It is nice. You can turn on the light. It's bright. Turn it down. Or you can have it really, really bright. And then you can turn it off. And then the speed is 1, and 2, 3, and 4. I can feel it. It's really cold. 5, and 6. And then you can reverse it. Let's see, turn it off. And then you reverse the fan the opposite way. Let's see. Nope. I guess it goes one way. I guess so. But I would say this is the best fan to get. I am in love with it.
You ready? You ready? Okay, watch. I did it. We did it. And look, got a controller. And look, you can change the color. Boop. And you can dim it. Or brighten it. Oh my gosh, look how bright. You can set different times. Dimming. I don't know what home does. I don't know what that does. That's the different lights. That is 1 through 6 speed, and that's the different directions. I hooked that up myself.
Here's the fan I bought off Amazon, and I love this little thing. It lights up, and there's 3 different lights on it, and I can push a speed up to 6 different levels, and you can set it for winter or summer so the air goes up, or it turns the other direction so the air goes down. You can make it go fast or slow, and 3 different types of lights. So I love this fan. It's flush against the ceiling, which is perfect for my small kitchen.
On to my story. As you guys know, I went down to Mid-City Hospital.
Good news!
Alex, I'm talking. I'm happy to announce that Mid-City Hospital, where I was born, has been turned into a shopping center that includes one of my favorite stores, the Science, Fun, Toy, Activity Store. Yes!
So, there's a slot. 2, there's 5 blades. 3, okay, 4. Wait, where's this spot?
But you'd be surprised when the rent is, you got that included.